It's Zwei's birthday. One day, Uno woke up early. Then, he remembered that it was his little sister, Zwei's birthday. He immediately ran downstairs to talk to his mother.
Good morning, Mom.
Good morning, Uno.
Wow, I bet all the dishes you made are tasty.
Of course, son. Now, try to fix your bed, wash your face, and brush your teeth. It's almost time for Zwei's surprise.
Sure thing, Mom.
Uno rushed upstairs to do what he was told. He fixed his bed, washed his face, and brushed his teeth. He wore his favorite shirt and put on his party hat. He also had one for Zwei. They excitedly walked towards Zwei's room carrying her cake, party hat, balloons, and gifts.
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday,
Zwei!
Zwei!
Thank you, Mama. Thank you, Papa. Thank you, Uno.
I'm sorry, Zwei. I wasn't able to buy presents for you.
It's okay, big brother. What's important is I work to get my birthday.
Before you blow the candles, make sure to make a wish.
Zwei closed her eyes and made a wish. She then blew the candles. Everyone joyfully
Yay!
clapped.
Let's hurry downstairs so we can show Zwei what we have prepared for her.
Zwei and Uno rushed downstairs.
This is the best day ever. Thank you much, anyone.
You're welcome, honey. We're glad that you like all your surprises.
And they happily celebrated Zwei's birthday the rest of the day.